Friday. What did I tell you I was going to show you? I was going to show you how to make an OTG margarita. Now you guys that all know me out there, you know I'm a beer drinking, rum drinking SOB, but what you didn't know is I like myself a nice margarita on the rocks every now and again. So we're going to start out here and show you how I like to make them. First off, you're going to get yourself a cheap, nasty little bowl like this. I put an 1/8 inch of water in it, and of course I got my Kosher salt over here, cheap to buy. It's only $4 a box. What you're going to do is I kind of skip this part because I know you guys can figure it out. Dip your glass in water, dip it in the salt, and away you go. OTG all the way. Alright, you got that? Okay guys, now we're going to move on. Now there's all sorts of tequila you can buy out there, but to keep it inexpensive for most of us, we're going to go with the Patron Silver. Now remember, I'm a Canadian. This is like $70 a bottle. And if you want something that's going to go down a little smoother, the more money you spend on tequila, the smoother it's going to get. This is Casamigos, which is actually George Clooney's tequila. But he has sold the rights to it a while back. But still, if you look at it, George Clooney's, Casamigos, this is around $100 a bottle. So, we're going to start you guys out light, and we're going to make the original OTG margarita, which is a little lighter. So, what we're going to do here, we'll go with the Patron. So, get yourself your shaker. I always put a little ice in there because I like to hear the sound. Hear that? You don't have to, but I like to. So, we're going to make 2 drinks here. So, 2 drinks. It's going to call for 1, 2, 3, 4 shots. That's right, 4 shots. Now the classic one that I would make would have 6 shots. It'd be 3 shots each per drink. Okay, so what you're going to do here next, oh, we need this again. Now we're going to go with our triple sec right here. And we want to go with a 1/2 ounce. So because we've got 2 drinks, obviously, we're going to go full ounce. There we go. Okay. Now, I didn't show this part, but I left it out. You want to get yourself real limes. You want to squeeze them, okay? You want the real limes. You don't want that limeade shit that they give you when you go to the bars, that they're ripping you off with. You're drinking Kool-Aid. So get yourself some real limes, you cut them in half, you squeeze them. I don't need to show you that. I've already done that part of it, and I've already poured it in here. So you want 3/4. It would normally be 3/4. If you're making 1 drink, 3/4 ounce, but we're making 2, so, you know, we got 2 of those going in. You following me here now, right? Everyone's following me? It's Friday. Okay, next we're going to get to, this is Guava Syrup, right? And you just want, oh look, I haven't even opened this one, it's been a while. This is brand newy here. Hang on a sec here. Oh, we got a problem, folks. Give me 1 second, we will take care of this situation. That's okay, over here at OTG, we just smash things down. Get on with the situation. Okay, let's get this in here. Now, you just want a couple dashes of that. 1, there we go, that's all we need on there. Okay, we're good to go. Now, I'm going to give that a, ooh, sticky shit. No, that's it. Now we got some Grand Marnier, but you put that on the end as a floater. So just so you know what's going on. Now, of course, I've already filled the glasses of ice. You know, home ice is good enough. You don't want to buy that store-bought shit because it's not solid cubes anyway. It just melts as soon as you get it home. So there we go. Now, I'm going to pour that in there. Whoops. I forgot my little, I'm going to leave a little bit of room. Make sure nothing gets ripped off here. I'll keep these even. Oh yeah. Okay, now to top that off, what you want to do is you're going to grab your shot glass one more time. And whoops, wrong way. Grand Marnier, you got that? Okay. You are going to have, there we go, a 1/2 ounce of that in each one. So we'll pour full ounce just because we know we got 2 on the go here. We'll cut that in half. That's your floater. Maybe a little more on that one. There we go. There we go, folks. Now that is how you make an OTG margarita. Now, if you want to make the real deal, it would normally be 3 shots. But anyway, cheers to all you guys out there. If you like this margarita, give me a big hell yeah. And if you don't, that's okay. So anyway, everyone, I expect my partner in crime to have a drink with me. Are we ready? Cheersies all the way. Oh, I guarantee you, after 3 of these and you get up off the bar stool, you're going to be wobbling around pretty good. Remember, it's always a good time at Old Time, and if you want to see more of my drinks that I like to drink you don't know about, I can do these for you every once in a while. Just give me a hell yeah and we'll get on with it. See you later.